am present, past, and future. I grant your moment of life whilst also leading you to death. I am lost and found. I am an ever-changing balance, and you are an ever-changing vessel. However, I continue, and you do not. My name is time, and if I had X, I could do Y. Contrary to the modern tongue, an excuse is no evil. The real evil is the mouth that delivers the pardon. A fallacy that can ultimately ruin a giver or receiver. Nothing but a box, keeping you inside it, the tool. Yet you sit, waiting for progress. Waiting for the locks to break, yet you, the tool, sits, waiting. If only you had somewhere to begin, an extra instrument for your encore, another cog for the works. And if we change the script, convince you to stand, to escape. You will leap, and you will fall. But you are a tool. And to fly, first you must fall. I am present, past and future. I grant you a moment of life only if you take it. I leave the journey to your death nonetheless. I am always lost, and sometimes found. I am an ever-changing balance, and you are an ever-changing vessel. However, I continue and you do not. You are a tool, stuck in your box. My name is time and I am not the lock. First you must fall, so you can fly. And if I had X, I could do Y.